welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hi, my name is Ahi, welcome. And for today's video I will be reviewing and I will have like a makeup tutorial using this eyeshadow palette from MAC Cosmetics. I have used this palette only once doing a makeup tutorial, which you can click here and see that tutorial, and I've only used one eyeshadow from this palette, so all the other colors are new for me. I don't know how they perform. I don't know if they're, you know, like super pigmented or blendable or anything like that, so I'm very excited to be doing that because I haven't like really seen so many videos on this palette, and yeah, I want to share that with you guys. So as I said, this palette is from MAC Cosmetics. It comes like that, and here inside you have the palette. It has like this hard plastic, like almost every palette from MAC Cosmetics. Here on the back you have the names of the eyeshadows, and as always you get a big mirror, which is a plus, of course. And then here you have the eyeshadows. It's a very colorful palette, as you can see. It's definitely not for an everyday use, well, at least not for everyone. And here you get like this, how you call that, I don't know, like this plastic sheet with the names of the eyeshadows on it. Okay, so I will swatch the eyeshadows very fast just to kind of get a feeling of the colors. So the first color we have, it is a yellow one, and this one, it's called Chrome Yellow. So let's see how it looks. Here it is. I do hope you can see that on camera, but it is a very beautiful color. The second one, it's called My Kid Could Make That. Okay, and it is more of a green color. So here you have it. It's a very light green color, beautiful for the summer. Next we have Bright Pink. Then we have Can't Afford This, and this is more like an orange red shade. So beautiful, and as you can see, all of the colors are very pigmented. Next we have this gold shade, which is called Ifid and Baroque. This is the shade that I have actually used on a previous video. As I said, you can check that later if you want to see the makeup that I've created. This is a beautiful gold eyeshadow, very, very pigmented. I really like that. Next we have, it's Designer. Very beautiful. It's more like a gold orange kind of shade. I do like that. Then we have Starry Night, and it is somehow like purple brownish shade as well. Very nice. It is a metallic color. I do like that. Then we get this beautiful purple, which is called Dark Room as well. Super pigmented. Just look at that. So beautiful. Very, very nice. Now next in line we have this silver shade, which is called High Concept. Ooh, just look how this is so beautiful. Just look how beautiful that shade it is. Very, very nice. Okay, now next we have Gallerina, and it is a metallic green shade that is crazy. I do like this color, and I think that one I will use to create my today's makeup. This is so beautiful, it's insane. Then we have this shade which is called Triennial Wave, and it is more of a blue super matte shadow. Very beautiful. And the last one, it is a black color, and it is called Carbon. Okay, so these are the shades for this palette. I really like them. They're super pigmented. I mean, from what I've tried now, everything you want to know about this palette I will be linking down below. So I will prime first just a little bit my eyes, and for that I will use a concealer. I will be using this one by MAC. It is in the number NC20, and I'll apply that on both of my eyelids using this concealer brush from Real Techniques. Okay, so now I will take this fluffier brush from Linda Hallberg number 304, and I will take this color that is called Can't Afford This, and that shade I will apply it here on my brow bone, but just below my brow, if that makes any sense. You'll just see. Like very close to my crease. Now with the same brush I'll take the purple shade called Dark Room, and I will apply just below the first shade that I've used, and I will blend the two colors together. Now taking a pencil brush, I will go in and use this blue eyeshadow, which is called Triennial Wave, and I will apply it on this outer part of my eyelid and as well on the lower lash line. Now the next color that I want to use is this metallic green, which is called Gallerina, and I will apply that one next to the blue eyeshadow in the middle part of my eyelid. Now using flat brush, I will go in and take this light green shade, which is called My Kid Could Make That, and that I will apply it next to this last eyeshadow that I have applied on the middle part of my eyelid. And now with another flat brush, I will go in and use this yellow shadow, which is called Chrome Yellow, and I'll apply it here on the outer part of my eyelid. Now on the lower lash line, I will take a pencil brush. I have this one from Charlotte Tilbury, and I think I'll use more from the metallic shadows on the lower lash line. I think it's going to pop like a little bit more. So firstly, I'll go with this shade from here, which is called Starry Night. Then I'll go with this color, it's Designer, and then with that one, If It Ain't Baroque. So, and every time I'll use them, you know, like one after another, if that makes any sense. So let's try that. So let me take that closer so that you can see better what the heck am I doing. And with a super small brush, I will take this silver eyeshadow, which is called High Concept, and I'll apply it on the inner corner of my eyes. Okay, so now we have completed the eyes, almost. I'm not finished, so I'll just complete now the face, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final look that I've created using this eyeshadow palette from MAC Cosmetics. The false lashes I've used are from Art Little Beauty. I will be linking down below. On my lower lashes I've used this mascara from Maybelline, and on my lips I have applied this lip pencil from Gerard Cosmetics, which is called Melrose Place, and it is like my favorite lip color. And if you want to see some swatches on these lip pencils, you can find the link down below. Everything you want to know from prices and where to get this palette and like finishes and everything, you will be finding down below, so make sure you check that info. And before you leave, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and as well hit that bell notification, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.